Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic hybrid hypercars ever made, the Porsche 918 Spyder. This car represents the pinnacle of Porsche engineering, blending insane performance with cutting-edge technology. Let's get into the details of this masterpiece. The Porsche 918 Spyder was introduced in 2013 as a limited production hybrid sports car. With only 918 units produced, it's a rare gem in the automotive world. It was part of the holy trinity of hypercars. Alongside the McLaren P1 and the Ferrari LaFerrari, the design of the 918 Spyder is a perfect mix of aerodynamics and aesthetics. Its low, wide stance and flowing lines scream performance while maintaining an elegant and refined look. The car features active aerodynamics, including a retractable rear wing and adjustable diffusers, which optimize downforce and reduce drag at high speeds. Powertrain and performance. The 918 Spyder is powered by a 4.6-liter V8 engine paired with two electric motors, one on each axle. This setup produces a combined output of 887 horsepower and 944 lb-ft of torque. Here are some key performance stats: 0-60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Top speed of 214 miles per hour. NRB or GRING lap time, 6:57, making it one of the fastest production cars to lap the track. The car features a 7-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission, ensuring lightning-fast gear changes. The electric motors provide instant torque, delivering a seamless and exhilarating driving experience. Hybrid technology. The 918 Spyder's hybrid system is not just about performance, it's also about efficiency. The car can be driven in pure electric mode for up to 19 miles, making it practical for short commutes without using a drop of gasoline. The hybrid system allows for regenerative braking, where energy is recaptured and stored in the lithium-ion battery pack. The car offers multiple driving modes: e-Power, pure electric driving. Hybrid combines both the V8 engine and electric motors for optimal efficiency. Sport Hybrid prioritizes performance, with the engine running constantly and the electric motors providing additional power. Race Hybrid, maximum performance mode, with aggressive throttle response and active aerodynamics in play. Hot Lap extracts every bit of power from the battery for a few laps of all-out performance. Interior. The interior of the 918 Spyder is a blend of luxury and race-inspired design. It features high-quality materials, including leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber. The car comes with a touch-sensitive center console, digital instrument cluster, and a multifunction steering wheel. Production and pricing. With only 918 units produced, the 918 Spyder is a collector's dream. At launch, the base price was around $845,000, but due to its rarity and demand, prices in the used market have soared well over $1 million. The Porsche 918 Spyder is a remarkable achievement in automotive engineering. It combines blistering